Hey there! Welcome to Piccaso. In this video, we're going to look at nodes, what they are, how they're configured, and how they all come together to power your skills. The best way to think about nodes is like Lego bricks. Each one does one specific thing, but snap a few together, a product, a model, a background, an AI step, and you've got a complete workflow. And we build it this way for a reason. E-commerce work repeats. You're not making one product photo. You're making hundreds across collections, launches, campaigns. So instead of starting from scratch every time, you build the workflow once as a skill and reuse it forever. Now let's walk through the 4 nodes you'll use most. First up is media upload. This is simply where your photo comes in. Think the product shot you want to style on a model. Then you've got asset. These are reusable pics from your library or our stock collection. Characters, backgrounds, poses, textures, you set them up once and just pick at runtime. The LLM node is the AI brain. It reads your prompt, pulls in your inputs, and generates the final image. And finally, output, where the result lands, ready to download or push to your store. Here's where it all clicks. When someone on your team runs a skill, the canvas turns into a simple form, and every node becomes a field in that form. The node settings define how that field behaves. So a media upload node becomes a file upload block, where you control things like which file types are allowed, whether multiple uploads are permitted, and if so, how many. Your teammate fills it in, hits run, and the output drops in. That's really the whole idea. Each node is a building block. Connect them, and you get a skill. Run them, and you get a reusable form anyone on your team can use.